Why did I buy a drone? Hi, I'm Jeevant. So, why did I buy a drone? I'm not a videographer, I'm not a traveler. I do like to travel, but I can't call myself a traveler. And I'm not a vlogger or a blogger of any sort. So, I don't really have any use for a drone. But why did I get one anyways? It's actually a pretty weird story. I'm sure most of you are aware of this concept called lucid dreams. For those of you that are not aware, lucid dreams is being in a state of dreaming where you're aware that you're dreaming, and because of that awareness, you can control your dreams. So you're aware that you're dreaming and you can do anything you want in your dreams. This is actually a real thing and you can Google it. It's pretty interesting. So this concept of lucid dreaming was very interesting to me, so I decided to give it a shot. Lucid dreaming is not something you can do overnight. It requires a lot of time and practice. I was working from home, so I had a lot of time. So I kept on practicing and trying, and one night I did it. So this one night, in my dreams, I was walking out of my house, and while I was walking, I realized that I was in a dream. I got excited, and the first thing I wanted to do was to test and see if I could fly. So I just jumped, and there I was, flying and looking down at my house from a whole new perspective. The dream only lasted for about 10 seconds because I got too excited and then I woke up. But I just could not forget about that dream. That frame, that angle, that picture was still in my eyes. That view of looking down from the sky, that was just amazing. And that week, I decided I was going to get a drone. Because I didn't want to spend months again practicing to get into a 10-second dream. And obviously, I cannot fly in real life, but at least I can fly virtually. When you visit a tourist spot and when you look at the scenery, you only get to experience a very small percentage of it. You'll only be able to see from that one perspective, from your perspective. But with the drone, you can see everything. Just send the drone out and you'll be surprised to see how much of the beauty you are missing. Like I said, I'm not a traveler. But if I visit a place, I'm only going to be there once. I'm not going to go to the same place again. So that one time I'm at a new place, I want to experience it fully and completely. And I can do that with a drone. At my core, I'm a creator. I've tried my hands on creating a variety of stuff. But the reason I bought a drone was definitely not to create things, but to enjoy them. And I'll be using my drone a lot more. I'll be sharing stories with you over a few drone shots. So if you don't want to miss it, and if you like videos like these, please be sure to subscribe so that you'll be able to see the most familiar places in a whole new perspective.